Rules is an athletic game played between two players on a 64-foot square grid. It is characterized by its use of sticks similar to that of a stringed instrument bow, with the aim of getting one's tip through the other stick's space between the slack, the hair, and the rod. The wood. Gameplay. The field consists of 16 squares, called cells, with sides of 2 feet arranged in a square. The players start in diagonally opposite squares in the middle. Every 20 seconds, the players must switch into an adjacent cell. A tally runs for 20 minutes in this fashion. 3 tallies making a game. One's goal is to strike their stick through the other's stick, whilst simultaneously preventing their own from being struck. However, the two participants must always be facing each other, and cannot move their stick behind their body.